AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 5G NR router. Installation guide. Install a nano SIM card. Ensure that the SIM card is active and has sufficient balance. If there are any issues, contact your carrier or SIM card provider for assistance. Insert a nano SIM card into the slot on the bottom panel of the router. Ensure that the chip is facing down and the notched corner is on the left. You will hear a click when the SIM card is fully inserted. Power on the router. Use the included power adapter to power on the router. Wait a moment. The router is connected to the internet. When the internet indicator turns solid on, access the internet. Connect your wired devices to the Ethernet port of the router using an Ethernet cable. Connect your Wi-Fi enabled devices to the Wi-Fi of the router. Tap Settings. Enable WLAN. Locate and select the Wi-Fi of the router. The Wi-Fi name can be found on the bottom of the router. There is no Wi-Fi password by default. Wait a moment. The connection is successful. Enjoy the internet.